500 times 502 times 504 times 506 plus 16 under square root. We have to evaluate without using calculator. Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section, and also how did you solve it. So here we have numbers under square root. To simplify it, we need to remove this square root, and for that we need to bring this number in terms of a plus minus b whole square, so that this whole square can remove the square root. Since we don't want to use calculator, we need to find some easier and simpler method to multiply these numbers. So first let's find the mean of these numbers. Let's add 500 plus 502 plus 504 plus 506. Average will be divided by 4. So it is 2012 upon 4, or divided by 4 is 503. So mean number is 503. We will use this 503 to represent all of these numbers. So let's write 500 as 503 minus 3, then it will be 500. 502 as 503 minus 1, then times 504 as 503 plus 1, and 506 as 503 plus 3 plus 16 under square root. Now you understood why we needed to find the mean, so that you can understand where this 503 came from and why did we take 503. Now let's rearrange the number, or let's consider 503 as a. In that case, we have a minus 3 times a minus 1, then times a plus 1, then times a plus 3 plus 16 under square root. If we rearrange it, we can write it as a minus 3 times a plus 3, and then times a minus 1 times a plus 1 plus 16 under square root. Now this is in the form of differences of square. So we can write it as a square minus 3 square and a square minus 1 square, or simply 1, plus 16 under square root. Now let's multiply these two. A square times a square will be a to the power 4. A square times minus 1 is minus a square. Minus 3 square times minus a square is minus 9a square. Minus 3 square times minus 1 is plus 9 plus 16 under square root, or this will be a to the power 4 minus 10a square plus 25 under square root, or a to the power 4 we can write a square whole to the power 2 minus 10 is 2 times 5 times a square plus 25 as 5 square under square root. Now this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this algebraic expression we can write it as a minus b whole square. So it will be a square minus 5 whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root with the square. So it is equal to a square minus 5. Now let's put the value of a here is 503 whole square minus 5. Now again you can expand 503 as 500 plus 3 whole square minus 5. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So 500 square plus 2 times 500 times 3 plus 3 square minus 5. 500 square is 25 and 4 zeros, plus 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30, and 2 zeros, plus 9 minus 5, or it is equal to 25300. 9 minus 5 is 4. So this is our answer. No calculator needed. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.